Hello, this is Jonathan Walsh. I have just completed university with a first class honours in computer games development at the University of Central Lancashire. I just want to show you this demo of a assignment that I completed during year 3 called Games to the Internet. And we had to create a 2D platformer that was based on the subject insects. So I decided to use cockroaches, as you can tell from the title, A Cockroach's Life. So I'm just going to play it in Unity and I'll show you exactly what I did. So I choose colour green, I'll type a name in, I just type my own in, I hit play, log in, send success token. Because I implemented a Facebook feature where you could connect your Facebook account to the game. I don't think it's working anymore, so unfortunately I can't really show you this feature. So I'm on level 1 now, so it's not too difficult. As you can see, if I press D, the baseball bat goes to the right. If I press A, the baseball bat goes to the left, so that the baseball bat swings in the direction that I'm moving, so I can kill cockroaches that way. As there's like a box at the end of this baseball bat, and that collides with the cockroaches, so I can kill them. So I'm collecting coins on the way, because there's a currency in the game, and you do get more money when you do complete the game as well, so it's not just 50 pence. And also, like, when the cockroaches collide with you, you lose health, and if your health drops to 0, you have to start the game again. Or if you fall down one of these pits, then you also have to start the game again. And you can also press shift to make yourself go faster, but this is only for a limited time, so press shift wisely. And like pressing shift also allows you to jump further. You just saw the advertisement screen as a placeholder that lasts for 5 seconds. This allows the app to be like more commercial, like if it was made that way. That just like demonstrates how you would do that. You can see the money that I've just earned and the total balance. So this increases every time you play the game. So it's just added £3.15 onto that. I can try again, return to the menu, continue to the next level. I think I'm going to continue to the next level. As you can tell, I'm just playing different music as well. I can also press M to show like a mini map of the game, so I can track my progress like that. It's in real time as well. It uses a render image. There's a lot more cockroaches to spin on this and bigger jumps to do. So I press shift and spacebar at the same time to do bigger jumps. I also have the post-processing effects, which is a bloom. So it's just like a yellow tint on the game, and also a particle system at the end of the level to show you that you completed it. And finally, on level 3, difficulties increased once again, and music's changed. Oops. It's actually harder than it looks. It's just I played this quite a few times. Whoa. If you're not careful, like, yeah, they can hit you off the platform as well, the cockroaches, so yeah, they get everywhere. that was close. So I tried to make it like a retro style game, so like an 8-bit game or something. Whoa, I'm stuck. You don't need to see that. That might be a bit of a bug there. Oh, I can't complete this level. I might end up having to cut this part of the video now. My boost keeps running out as well. I made my game too hard. Yes. Right. So that's that done. That's my final balance. I will return to the menu now. So the other option is the instructions. So it's the first time, like if it's the first time you play it, then you can read this. So I think I've shown you all that. And there's a leaderboard which shows you how much you've earned. I think that's about it for that. And I've opened up Firefox to show you the rest of the web server in case you can't see it yourself. So it should look something like this. I made a WebGL project and I uploaded it to the Vesta web server, and it uses UConn servers, so it might not be there by the time you see it. So yeah, it's pretty much the same. And there's some sort of error with the Facebook account, so there might be something I have to do in the developer account to get it working again. And you probably couldn't hear my voice over that, so I'm not going to play that. And I'll just show you my code now, so you can stop the video now if you don't want to see my code, but I'll give you a quick look. Give it a quick look. So I will start in the menu scene. So some of these, like a lot of the scripts are pretty simple, but some of them are more complicated than others. So this one just allows you to change the colour of the player, so it just passes data over to the stats script, which is then able to be passed on to different scenes. So the player's colour can actually change, and it keeps track of the money earned, total money, and player text colour, current level, things like that. So I think that's it for that scene. Go see instructions now. It's a pretty simple scene there. Just gives you instructions on how to play and a menu button. So that's the only thing that really has any function to it. And then the leaderboard. It's that shows the top 5 players there. I need to double click. So I've already shown you stats and receive script. So this just gets the data from the PHP file as a JSON object. So it's just getting data from a database. I probably have to log into FileZilla to actually see that file. I don't think I have that locally. Yeah. And then if we go into the advert, that's a pretty simple one. It just shows the scene for a 5-second timer, and it just demonstrates that you can have an advert there. Game over screen, yeah, it's just 3 buttons there to be able to switch the scenes, so pretty self-explanatory. Level 1, that's what level 1 looks like. they're all pretty much so much, just the blocks are rearranged, and there's more spawn points for the cockroaches. So I'll show you the player controller now. So I have got all the information that you need for the player, so the text, health bar, speed, swing rotation, and player movement, and keeping track of the amount of money there is. That's all in here. I'll show you one of the spawn point scripts. They're all pretty much the same. It just spawns the enemy to an area close to the player, and the spawn time is random as well, so they can just spawn at any time. I'll show you a pick script. So it's another simple one. It's just a collider. So if the player collides with it, then they go back to the start of the level, and player health is set to 0 to show they've died. Got the music. Got particle systems there. The stats files there. Got the map, which goes into a render target, and the post-processing effects there. I'm not sure if it's worth showing the login. I'll just show you this very quickly. Should be called login. Yep, there it is. So it just communicates with Facebook using the SDK, and that activates the app and allows you to share your score with your friends on Facebook. That's about it for that. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions or anything, contact me on LinkedIn or email me. Thank you for watching.